we are now here in Salamander Bay Shopping Center. The rest of the shops are closed already, but the grocery is still open. Also, Kmart is still open because it's still 6 o'clock. Yeah, you remember the last time? 8 o'clock, there is still the sun. I mean, 8 o'clock is the sunset. Okay, pronto. Yeah, and we are back in this hotel.
Naalala ko tuloy.
Jan always cooking like that. Even at work before, Jan was the one who cooked something like this. I was always in the preparation, not cooking. But when it comes to rice cooking, yeah, I do that. Here in Australia, you never see a kitten that is heating in here. Always electric kettle. For rest this, and I will put butter here for basting. Rice is boiling. Oh, just now I noticed that my mobile phone is broken. You see this? Yeah, broken. Because I dropped it when I was on my bike this morning.
Can I have some gravy? 안녕하세요. 밥 먹자. 밥 먹자. Say to the camera.
밥 먹어요. 밥
밥 먹어요.
안녕하세요.
맛있게 드세요.
맛있게 드세요.
They make it delay the buying vaccine because of the safety.
Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, this is where I sleep. And this is my this is my apron and my head cap. The time now is 4:20, and I'm going to make a coffee now. This chef's jacket, this is coming from Chef Michele. So I have this for more than 4 years already, and I'm actually going to wear this while driving because outside is very cold. Here is normal temperature because there is a heater. I will show you. If you can see that one, that is a heater. If you come closer here, you feel that it's hot. Yeah, nice. But when you go outside, it's cold. Temperature maybe 12, 15. So this rain jacket, it's also good for the wind, for the cold. My duty today is 5:30. Yeah, very early. Oh, if in case you are here in If you are here in Nelson Bay, there is a very nice sunrise and sunset along the bay. Sunset is good in Little Beach, and sunrise is good in Banyal Beach. I have this very tiny toothpaste. Okay, we are now here outside. I hope that my bike is still down there. Thanks. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, I just came from the hotel where we stayed last night. I went there to check the pair of shoes of John. He forgot it. Yo, good evening, guys. Yeah, I just get off the bed. I was feeling really tired. It is almost 6 o'clock and outside is already dark. I actually just get out and put the garbage bin in, for pickup tomorrow morning. Yeah, so I was very tired. Coming from the hotel this morning around 5:30 I start my duty, and then 2 o'clock I finish, and I went back to the hotel where I stayed last night with John and Charlene and another couple. Yeah, I went back there because John forgot his shoes. And the lady, the reception lady, she asked me to check in the room. But when I get into the room is already clean. Yeah, and then I went back to the reception. And they said they will just call us once things is cleared, once they found the shoes. And they called me and say they already found the shoes actually. But yeah, I was very tired, so I sleep. And just now, maybe 20 minutes ago, when I wake up, let's close this. Oh, I am going to eat this. This bread, chocolate, cross-bun chocolate, and a cup of coffee while watching the news. Yo, good morning, guys. It's already 7 o'clock exactly, and I just switched on the bulb of this aircon from outside, and today is going to be the my remote control. Today is going to be the first time that I'm going to switch it on. Maybe this is the power. Oh, okay, just now switch on. Oh, it is a blowing cold wind. I think this is just air conditioner. Just now I figured out how to switch on the heater. Yeah, now the temperature that is coming out is hot. Yeah. So basically this is the master control. Yeah, if you press this, it will go to pan, heat, or cool. And of course the temperature, swing, timer. That is how it works. I initially thought it is just aircon because it's not. I don't see the heater until I found this master control. Also, I read somewhere on that side that there is a cooling capacity and there is a heating capacity. That's why I insist. I really figured out how to make it hot. I am hungry. I am cooking the rice at the moment, and I will be just frying an egg for my breakfast. Haven't had a coffee yet because I don't have milk. Yeah, so this is going to be my breakfast. Yo! Yeah, we are going to work now. This is how it is at the moment. Very calm water. And actually it is cold when you are on a bike, but if you're just standing by, will be nice. Yeah, it is now cold, especially in the night, and in the morning really cold. I actually needed to switch on the heater of the house this morning. Yeah, and my duty today is 2 o'clock. When I left the house it was already 1:20, so yeah, I still have more than 30 minutes to start my duty. Yeah, nice weather today. Cause I love you. Okay, we are now here near the vicinity of my workplace, and so we're going to just sit here for a little bit. We'll be drinking this cup of coffee. When it is cold, it's just so good to be staying just like this under the heat of the sun. Oh, I just saw a dolphin somewhere there. It is going to show up again. Let's wait a little bit. Oh, it doesn't show anymore. Okay, we go. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is already 11:20 almost. Yeah, 11:20. And I'm preparing my meal. This is just water and cabbage. Yeah, I'm going to make a pancit because I have this 2 pieces of rice noodles. No, what is this? Wait, we put that. That is very hard. And this is how it is now. I'm going to eat it with rice. And in almost 15 minutes to 12 o'clock. We are going out later.